I am Jatin Sejpal, major thalassemic from Pune.
What is thalassemia?
Thalassemia is a genetic disease which is inherited genetic disease which comes from both parents are carriers. Then there is a chance of parents may have a thalassemic child by 25%. In thalassemia, the patient has to take blood transfusion for lifelong.
Okay.
He has to take blood transfusion every 3 to 4 days, every 12 to 15 days for the whole life. Because their body doesn't generate RBCs, blood cannot be generated in their body. The lifespan of RBC is very less and their bodies cannot produce red blood cells, so they have to take blood transfusion from outside. I have been taking transfusion for last 30 years. I was on transfusion for last 30 years, but presently I am off transfusion due to new treatment which is called combination of hydroxyurea and wheatgrass therapy. As a child, it was very cumbersome days. Every 12 to 15 days we have to multiple pricks, we have to go to hospitals, and back days there was problem of blood. We did not have blood transfusions, blood was not available, very readily available at that days. Many times it restricted me because as a thalassemia we are physically little bit weaker than other children, as our HB levels are most of the time are very low, so we physically cannot cope up with everything like schooling and college, and we are being every time the society has a taboo on us that we have a blood related disease, so we may have a cancer or something like that, HIV. So they do not involve us very easily in everything. Okay. So we have been very much aloof from the society. People don't get mixed up with us. Most of the relatives will not help out in everything in family matters, or they will keep us aloof from everything. So we have to become little bit stronger, coming to the thalassemia society and watching patients and doctors motivating us that no, we can do it, you can do it. They just motivated us and motivated me, and by motivating we got forward working in thalassemia society, helping other patients. We are becoming little bit stronger. Last few years back we just met in some thalassemia function and thalassemia societies meetings and functions. We met few times, then we were initial good friends. Then we thought of why we cannot get married. We asked our doctors and other teams that can we marry. They said okay, you can marry. As a thalassemia patient you can marry, but when you both are thalassemic we should not have a thalassemic child. So our aim was to get married and have a physical and emotional support to each other, and this support will help us both in emotional and physical way. So we got married. Basically every Indian citizen should go for the thalassemia test before marriage, if they have got married, before pregnancy, and at any time of the age they can go for this test. This is one-time test. This test will help their future parents and they will not have thalassemic children in future, to avoid the pain, to avoid all these complications of thalassemia. And every year in India 13,000 new thalassemia patients are born. We should go for thalassemia test, and this test will help them a lot. And secondly, every Indian who are healthy should donate blood, should organize blood donation drives for thalassemia.